You all know that I teach you how to create digital products and sell them on Etsy and Amazon, starting from coloring books and many other digital products. And we create them with very high quality. But have you ever asked yourself, what is the one thing that can massively increase your sales? I'll tell you very simply. You create videos for these products and post them on social media, or even create ads using those videos. Now you might tell me, but creating videos and ads costs hundreds of dollars. And my answer to you is, today I brought you the solution. With just one click, you'll be able to create more than 9 different types of videos and advertisements for your products, whether they are digital products or anything else. And as you all know, Higgsfield is considered a complete platform for creating images, videos, and much more using AI. And we use it all the time in our videos. And today, we're going to use the amazing tool inside Higgsfield called Marketing Studio. This tool allows you to create insane ads and incredible product videos with just one click. And trust me, today you're going to be blown away by the results yourself. For example, if I have this coloring book right here, I can create many different styles of videos just like the ones you're seeing on the screen right now. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it very easily. So make sure you watch until the end. You'll find the link below this video and also in the pinned comment. And now, let's jump directly into the practical tutorial. I'm going to open Higgsfield Marketing Studio, and I want you to focus with me very carefully here. Inside the product section, you can simply paste the product link directly if your product is already uploaded to your website, Etsy, Amazon, or anywhere else. Or you can click on Create Manually if you already have product images and details ready, exactly like I'm about to do right now. We created this coloring book together in the previous video step by step, and today we're going to create amazing videos for it. All I need to do is choose the product image and upload it right here. Then I'll give the product a name so I can easily recognize it among my other products later. After that, in the avatar section, you'll find many different characters already available inside Higgsfield that you can use for your videos. And not only that, you can also create your own avatar very easily from here. I actually created this avatar with you before, so I'm going to choose it now. And by the way, creating an avatar is super easy. You can simply describe the character you want or upload your own images. So for example, if you want to turn yourself into an AI character to use in your videos, you can easily do that too. After that, I'm going to select the character we created together, and now we have the product image and the avatar image ready. Next comes the ad type, and there are so many different ad styles available here. You have UGC ads, product reviews, product unboxing videos, and many more types that I really want you to explore and test yourself. And in this video, we're actually going to try several of them together. For this first ad, I'm going to leave it as UGC. Then after that, there's a brand new feature called Hook. And honestly, I think this is one of the best features inside Marketing Studio. Because you already know that if you want your video to go viral, it has to grab attention immediately. And this tool was specifically added to help you do exactly that. We're also going to use it in this video. And tomorrow, I'll even make another video creating many different videos using this new hook feature. Let me give you a quick example so you fully understand. I created this video without using a hook. Look at the result. You'll notice that the result is already impressive and looks great, but when I use the product hit hook, look at the difference now. Suddenly the video became way more exciting because the product was thrown toward the avatar, which instantly grabs attention. And that is exactly what makes videos go viral, my friend. And I'm sure you're going to test all the hooks yourself and figure out which ones work best for your products. And now, let's go back to creating our first video. Like I told you, after uploading the product image and the avatar image, we need to adjust the settings. For example, I want the video in 9:16 format. I want it to be 10 seconds long, and I want the quality set to 1080p. After that, if you already have a prompt or a detailed description for the advertisement or video you want to create, you can write it right here in detail. And from the plus icon, I'm also going to upload the interior pages of the coloring book so the AI can use them while generating the ad. And after writing the prompt right here, all I need to do is click Generate. And now, let's see the final result of this UGC ad without using a hook.
Screen-free back-to-school win, my toddler's obsessed. School bus adventure is perfect school prep. Amazon and Etsy, go!
And as you can see, the result is absolutely incredible. I honestly loved it. But the amazing part is, it doesn't stop there. So let's go back once again and create another add-in video for the same product, which is our coloring book. But this time, instead of using UGC, I'm going to use product unboxing. Then, just like before, we'll upload the interior pages using the plus icon, and we'll write a description for the type of video we want to create. And this time, I'm not going to use an avatar at all, just so we can see how the AI creates the video on its own.
Okay, it's here. School bus adventure, cover's adorable. Pages are thick, total bestseller vibes.
And look at the result. The result is seriously amazing. Even if you don't have an avatar, the AI will automatically add one for you. But personally, I still recommend creating your own avatar so you can keep the same character consistent across all your videos and build your own recognizable brand identity. And I told you this tool is insane, so let's test another ad style. This time, I'm going to try the hypermotion style because I know these types of videos get millions of views on social media. So let's test it together and see how it works with digital products. Same exact process, my friend. All you have to do is upload the interior pages, then upload the product image, and write the description you want for this video. And just look at this result. I'm genuinely blown away. I'm honestly convinced these videos can increase our sales by hundreds more than we ever expected. And it still doesn't stop there. In the same way, let's try another ad style called product review. But for this type, you need to add your own avatar.
Screen-free back to school, my toddler's obsessed. Perfect school prep, school bus adventure. Available now on Amazon and Etsy.
And once again, every single time I try a new style, I get shocked by the quality of the result. And there's another ad type called wildcard, and I personally loved this one so much. So of course, I had to test it together with you, and now you're about to see the result. This style makes your coloring book grab the attention of kids before even the moms. I was seriously impressed by this one, and watch the final result with me right now. As you can see, this type of advertisement would work perfectly on Amazon, maybe even better than Etsy. So make sure you don't forget to test it yourself. And by the way, this doesn't stop with physical or digital products only. If you have an app, whether it's a mobile app or even a desktop application, you can create advertisements for it using the exact same process. All you need to do is choose the app type, whether it's for desktop or mobile. Then upload screenshots of your application right here. And the platform will automatically generate a professional promotional video for your app. So basically, if you have any product on the internet, you can create amazing videos for it using this model. And the reason the quality is so impressive is because this tool is powered by Seedance 2, which is currently one of the newest and most advanced AI video generation models available. That means the quality will look incredible right from the very first generation, exactly like we've been testing together throughout this video. And don't forget to use hooks, because hooks can completely transform your video from something ordinary into a trending viral style video. These two videos right here were both created using hooks. one using Product Hit and the second one using Random Object Mic. Just look at these results.
The School Bus Adventure coloring book, my nephew hasn't put this down. Every page is a different scene. Look at this. Get it before school starts. Parents are buying this before school starts. It's the School Bus Adventure coloring book. 50 pages, thick, clean lines, actually made for little hands. Screen free, and they actually sit still for it.
I'm genuinely convinced that videos like these can easily go viral and bring in a lot more sales. And by the way, tomorrow I'm going to make another video where we test every single hook type together. So make sure you follow the channel and don't miss it. I really hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.